palace ground is full of enthusiasm and anticipation over who is going to be the winner of Kambala 2023. As you can see, the palace ground is full of enthusiasm. There are various stalls, over 150 stalls that have been put up for the Kambala event, and more than 150 buffaloes, pairs of buffaloes are going to participate in the Kambala race. Let's get inside the palace ground to see the Kambala event. Bengaluru for the Kambala event, the buffalo race, and the race has started. Even though it's raining, the excitement is super high among the crowd as well as the participants. All the team members are geared up and ready. As you can see over here, they are going for the race right now, and the team members are super excited about it. This is the longest track in Bengaluru, the 155-meter track, which has been the longest in Kambala event. Usually it's 145-meter track.
Karavalli region, coastal region, there are 23 Kambala events happen every year. So usually at least 10 events I will see. I go and watch. And already one Kakebadavu Kambala already happened, and this is the second one. This is in much huge, I would say, but in Mangalore the amount is not like this much, and the audience is not like this much. It's a huge audience here, and since it is a capital city, many people will come here, and Kambala is only restricted to Mangalore region, but now it's gone all around the world, I would say. All the major teams had come here, and sometimes they won't come for some of the Kambala events, and for this time everybody has come, and I think we will see definitely very close matches.
Is there any favorite team of yours?
Yeah, my favorite team is Nandalike. Here it is. So they have around 4 to 5 pairs, and I think I wish they should win this time.
ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವರೇ, ನಾವು ಕಂಬಳ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ನಾವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ನಮ್ಮೂರಾಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಸಂತೋಷ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಾಗ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರವರೇ. ಈ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು.
This is my first time here. I am from Karnataka, but it is my first experience. I never expected this to be this grand here, and people have turned in good numbers. It's been raining, it's giving the effect of Mangalore monsoon here, and I mean, it is splendid. I can't say in the words. It's, you have to live here, the experience, you have to come here to live the experience.
So would you like the Kambala event to be organized again in Bengaluru?
I would like to, but I don't know if it will take the essence out of the Mangalore's Kambala trade. But I definitely like people from other parts of India also live here, so it will be an exposure opening for them.
Karnataka.
Yes. It's a great culture here. The great culture display.
ಕಮಲಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಆದರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪಾಸ್ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲಂತೆ. VIP ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹತ್ತಿರದಿಂದ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ LED ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಹತ್ತಿರ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತುಂಬ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೇವೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ, ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಸಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದೇನೆ, ಅವರು ಉಗಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮಲ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಂಥ ಕಮಲ ಏರ್ಪಾಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಮಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು VIP ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು.
After many days we have come to this. We was to go in the native and we was to see. First time it's going on in the Bangalore, so it's very excited to see it.
Where are you from?
Vijayanagar.
Actually, it started with the tradition. Those days we used to cultivate in the buffalo. So those time, after this cultivation and all, we used to use for this event. But nowadays it's become something like yes, it's called race. So it's going on, but it's a good event because there is a bifurcation between that coastal Karnataka and this Mysore Karnataka. Now it's something as amalgamation. It's called something like going together. language is spreading and everything is going good. And it's a fantastic event. 125 teams they are participating, and along with that around 30 people they are coming along with the one buffalo team, and it's a good even financial activity also. Good, all the best to the organizers, and for you people also you are covering the wonderful things.
ಸರ್, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕೋಣಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಕಾಲು ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲು ಮುರಿದೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಉಬ್ಬರ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ದಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನಾವು ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈಗ 108 ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಅದು 108 ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇರೋದು, ಇದು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ 1962 ಅಂತ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸಹಾಯವಾಣಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 1962.
Came first time, so it's very good actually. I am so enjoying. Yeah.
Because it's happening for the first, you've never ever visited
No,
Kambala
I didn't ever.
What are you expecting inside?
Don't know. First time I came there.
First time we seen in Kantara movie. That is the only inspiration which came here. And every time this Kambala and other things, it is a basic area of Mangalore belt. So in Mangalore, when they are conducting this kind of sports, we don't know. So because of that, we came here to see
So
this
Kambala
Kambala.
was the inspiration for you. As you could see from the audience to the participants, everybody has been super excited about the Kambala event. The Kambala event is going to go on until tomorrow evening, that is the November 26th, Sunday, and anybody can come in here. The entry is free, so do visit the Kambala event and enjoy the buffalo race and the beautiful stalls that are put up over here. With cameraman Faisula, this is Akshita Mehta reporting for Daily Salar Digital.